everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are looking to take automation to next level using AI, then you are at right place. Today we are going to discuss the hot topic which everybody is talking about. Yes, MCP, Model Context Protocol. In today's video, we are going to discuss first what is MCP or Model Context Protocol. Second, how is it different or how does it relate to LLMs and AI agents? And finally, why should you know about it and why it's a game changer from AI perspective? So don't go anywhere and stay all the way to the end. So what is MCP? MCP you can think of as a nervous system for AI agents. So model context protocol is a secure and open framework which developers can use to connect their data sources with the AI application. So MCP is basically providing a set of standards or framework which everybody can use, and then it's easier to interact with each other. So without MCP, every time you want to connect your application to an AI LLM, then you'll have to write a set of code. Instead, MCP provide you something similar to a universal plug, which you can use and connect with anything. So you just build one MCP and everybody else, or you can connect with any AI possible. And it makes building AI agents really easy. Now let's talk about the evolution of AI. So recently, 1 or 2 years back, LLMs were introduced, large language model. So first, we saw ChatGPT, and then a lot of ChatGPT's competitor came in, like Gemini, Claude, and others. But all of these LLMs are kind of limited. So you can ask a question, and they will provide you response based on a training data set they are trained on. So they can provide you response, but they can't do anything beyond it, right? So if you want to write say code, it can create a code for you, but it cannot deploy that application and make a running application. Next, AI agents were introduced. So with AI agent, it provided some capabilities. So you started connecting different applications together with the AI models and started creating workflows which can help in automating system. In this channel, we have discussed multiple kind of platforms like N8 and Make.com, which you can use to connect multiple apps. But the problem is when you are connecting multiple different apps to each other, whenever there is a change in one of the app, then you may have to make certain changes in your workflow, or things may not work together. And that's why you in large organization you'll see that that's the thing which they do most of the time. Yeah, they are upgrading in their systems and application to make sure they're compatible with all the new upgrades which happens around. But with MCP, what's happening is that there is a set protocol which is set, which is there, and you can use it to create your apps. And once you're done, you don't have to worry about any of the upgrade or changes, because any other app which you're interacting with, they will comply with this protocol. Now let's take an example to understand how um, AI and AI plus MCP can make a difference. So, for example, you want to book a ticket to watch a movie over the weekend. So, with the traditional AI systems, you'll ask this question and then you'll have to provide a location, and then it'll give you some suggestions, it'll try to find. But with MCP combined with AI, it'll connect with the Google Maps, find out what are the different movie theaters in in 5 mile radius. um, it'll find a movie theater which has a movie and then book tickets for you and send it to you. You can have all these things orchestrated very easily when you use MCP or Model Context Protocol. So you may ask, hey, is it not possible to build an app without MCP or a AI agent without MCP? I mean, you definitely could. But the challenge is whenever you are creating a new AI agent, and you want to expose a data source, you will have to write a program to do that connection between the AI, like LLM, and this data source. But with MCP, it becomes easier. So as we discussed earlier, having kind of universal plug or the way we have USB, with USB we can easily connect multiple different kind of devices. But without that, like each device will have to create a new wire, and that's what used to happen earlier. So that's the advantage of it. So this was kind of introduction to MCP, model context protocol, how it works, and we will have future videos where we'll go deep into how you can create applications and how you should go about it. So don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, so that you can see those future videos, and we can also reach out to folks like you. So we are a small growing channel, and your like and subscribe really helps us. So thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.